Assalamualaikum and a good day. My name is Nawal Safia binti Herman from SBT SK Seri Biram, Pahang, Malaysia. Together with my co-innovator Muhammad Hadi Sufi bin Herman and under the supervision of Dr. Nurul Farha binti Hamidi, I am honored to present our innovation entitled Herbal Smile, Green Innovation for Healthy Teeth and Gums. Herbal Smile is an eco-friendly herbal toothpaste developed from curry leaves, scientifically known as Murraya koenigii. Oral health remains one of the most significant health concerns worldwide. According to the National Health and Morbidity Survey 2019, approximately 88% of Malaysians suffer from tooth decay. About 90% of adults experience gum inflammation, while 71% of 5-year-old children already have cavities. In addition, only 22% of older adults in Malaysia retain 20 or more natural teeth, indicating the need for better oral healthcare solutions. Many conventional toothpaste contain synthetic ingredients such as fluoride, sodium lauryl sulfate or SLS, and bleaching agents. Although these ingredients are commonly used, they may contribute to gum irritation, dry mouth, disruption of the natural oral microbiota, and higher production costs. This situation inspired us to develop a safer, natural, and environmentally friendly alternative. The objectives of this project are: first, to utilize the antibacterial properties of curry leaves to reduce oral bacteria, plaque formation, and bad breath. Second, to improve gum health through the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds naturally found in curry leaves. Herbal Smile is designed for school children, teenagers, adults, individuals with sensitive gums, and consumers seeking natural oral care alternatives. The production process consists of 8 main stages. First, fresh curry leaves are collected. Second, the leaves are dried to reduce moisture content. Third, the dried leaves are ground into a fine powder. Fourth, the powder is mixed with coconut oil. Fifth, salt and baking soda are added. Sixth, the ingredients are blended into a toothpaste formulation. 7. The product undergoes testing and evaluation. Finally, the completed Herbal Smile toothpaste is produced. The curry leaves contain calcium, iron, vitamin A, vitamin C, antibacterial compounds, and antifungal properties. These natural compounds help straighten teeth, prevent tooth decay, reduce bad breath, improve gum health, and provide natural oral protection. We also compare curry leaves with several ingredients commonly used in herbal oral care products. Curry leaves offer a more balanced combination of benefits. They provide antibacterial activity, antioxidant protection, gum health support, and nutritional compounds such as calcium and vitamins. The originality of Herbal Smile lies in its use of locally available Malaysian herbs. It combines traditional herbal knowledge with modern oral healthcare practices. Most importantly, the use of curry leaves as the primary ingredient in toothpaste production remains relatively uncommon, making this innovation unique and innovative. Herbal Smile offers numerous benefits. It promotes better oral hygiene, fresher breath, healthier gums, affordable production, safe daily use, and environmental sustainability. The commercialization potential of Herbal Smile is promising. The ingredients are low cost and easily accessible throughout Malaysia. Currently, the research phase has been completed. A prototype has been successfully developed. By utilizing the natural benefits of curry leaves, Herbal Smile promotes healthier teeth and gums while supporting environmental sustainability and the growth of Malaysia's herbal industry. The project also supports Sustainable Development Goal 3, Good Health and Well-being, and Sustainable Development Goal 12, Responsible Consumption and Production. Thank you. Herbal Smile, natural protection for healthy teeth, healthy gums, and a sustainable future.